Alright, we are back. Alright, so I'll show you what I have and what's left to do on each of the cars. Alright, first is first, the EK. Like I said, I'm still trying to fix the underglow issue. I'm gonna buy a new control module, or maybe trial that out and see how we go. And then we got this guy. This guy, have a look. Only thing I am waiting for at the moment is some intercooler piping. I got some quotes, but I really can't afford doing any of that right now. So eBay it is. eBay it is. I'll do that, and once I get my intercooler back from my friend, he's gonna help me with that. Things should be quite finished. I broke a couple of trims trying to play around with the antenna and removing it, so I'm going to replace this bit with that one, and that's that for the DC2. Literally it'll be finished, and then heading out. It's a little bit rainy, a little bit wet in Melbourne. I wonder if the car's open. I'm not too sure. Alright, and then there's this guy. This is a B18C7. Most of it is, actually all of it's complete. I just need to add another O2 sensor wire somewhere back there, and to clear that code, but all in all it runs well, and that's it. I've received some stuff in the mail today, so I'll start to unbox that later. I'm pretty sure it's in the intercooler piping. Alrighty, story time. I can't do much today. Weather's pretty bad outside, it's raining. So I thought I'd tell you why things are taking so long. So I like to go crazy. I like to go crazy and build as big things that I can only dream of, and I try to do that, and at the end of the day I do fall short. I fall short in terms of motivation, money, but hopefully these cars will get finished, and I think I'm set on that. I know initially in a couple of my last videos I said, oh, I'm gonna all-wheel drive the Civic and whatnot. I can't really do that at the moment, so I'm just trying to finish off what I can, and hopefully these cars will see the road very soon. The worst part for me is I can't get rid of anything. So normally people would pick up projects and get rid of another project that as they're finished with it. I just keep everything. There was one car that I sold probably last year. I kind of regretted selling it, but I had to. Was the BB4 Prelude that I had in one of the very last videos that I've had. I had to get rid of that because I had to make room for the EK that I really wanted. The EK has probably been one of my dream cars. I'd say a childhood cars that I used to play on Gran Turismo before I learnt about the GTR 32. Tearing up the track and all these other muscle cars that just ruined the game for me, really. I thought control, driving, precision and everything like that was the idea, but I learnt that you just go as fast as you can and ride the walls where possible. So it kind of ruined it for me when I was a child. So basically what I'm going to do is finish off the cars, get them hopefully tuned. But the most important thing is stay focused. No more side quests. I've still got a few things to do for other projects, but I won't reveal them yet. But no more side quests, no more swapping and changing. I know I did that previously. I had my intercooler set up on my DC2. Everything was set and ready to go for a tune. It was kind of how you doing, but it was somewhat finished, and I thought I would have just got it tuned, but I got pushed back a bit, so I'm just revising the setup, the intercooler layout and the piping, and hopefully we'll let that see the road soon. Long overdue. I've had that car for nearly 6 years, more than 6 years, and it's just been sitting around picking up dirt and grime. I think I'll post a video of what it would look like when I pulled it out. I should have really started documenting all that type of things first, but oh well, too bad. Alright, so I'll catch up with you guys. It's night time. Let's get it happening. Finished all my family chores and whatnot. Let's see what we have here. A little bit hard with one hand. Ah. Let's see what we have. Ooh, some piping, and we're gonna mock this up all tomorrow. Mock this up and see how we go. Intercooler. Hopefully I'll get the intercooler finished off tomorrow. We'll see, but we can start mocking this up. Alright, couple of cool bends. Aluminiums are actually quite thick. I was imagining this to be more flimsy, but this is really good. Alright, that's for tomorrow. I'm gonna finish that off, and because the weather's going so bad, I think that's it. I won't say anything else. Alright, that's it. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next one. Actually, hold on. Does anyone know anything about controllers for this? I only wanted to get more torque. And I was thinking about changing the controller, but I don't know what to do or how to do it. So if anyone knows, let me know, please. Thank you.